YouTube is a lot harder than I ever thought it was, and I'm going to tell you why. I thought doing this YouTube thing was going to be really easy. All you got to do is get on the motorcycle and ride around and talk about stuff. Number one, you got to have a topic. But then I ran into the next roadblock, which was bugs. You go out riding all day, get all this great footage, only to realize you had bugs all over the lens, which I probably have now. But aside from the bugs, there comes the time of editing. And so when I started, I didn't know apples from bananas about editing. It's all total trash, and I appreciate all of you that have stuck with me and watching all my trash. I completely see now why all the big YouTubers that do videos about YouTube are saying YouTube burnout is a real thing. I'm not saying I'm getting burnt out, but I can definitely see how that happens. Motovlogging and doing videos on a motorcycle is tough because we have to deal with elements of the wind, the sun. I mean, we got to be conscious of where we're filming. Are we riding into the sun? What's the wind like today? There's only so much you can do to combat the wind noise and the glare of the sunlight. You know, I see a lot of people that make videos, I'm kind of jealous of them because they're doing topics and things just in the comfort of their own home. Like they have their home office that they film in and tell their stories and do their thing. And I'm jealous of them because, man, that is so much easier than being out here on the road, telling stories, doing vlogs. But I like being out here doing this. I get to combine two things I enjoy doing, which is riding a motorcycle and making videos. And plus, you know, a lot of you guys out there that are subscribed to the channel or watching the channel right now, if you're not subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you would go ahead and subscribe. But I get to take you guys on a ride. I get to show you things that you may never seen before. Like you may never been to this part of the world or the country. And that's why I love watching other motovloggers from all over the world. You get to put yourself under their helmet. You get to see what they're seeing in their daily lives, in their daily grind, which is killer. You know, I mean, I love it. And that's been the best part about motovlogging. Being able to connect with people from all over the world. I know YouTube translates our comments. When I go and watch their videos, they're speaking another language sometimes, and I have to subtitle that, which is so cool that I'm able to communicate with other people around the world that ride motorcycles or are interested in motorcycles, and we don't even speak the same language. And people are looking at me like I'm nuts because I'm talking with my hands while I'm riding. Guys, if you notice, I read every single comment. I try to read, like, and heart every comment. You guys have been absolutely wonderful. All of you have been. I really want to extend my deepest gratitude to the subscribers out there. I really appreciate you guys. I didn't think anybody was going to watch this stuff when I started putting it out there. I cannot express my gratitude enough to you guys, and how appreciative I am of all the kind comments and encouragement y'all have given me. I appreciate it. I appreciate you going on these rides with me. But anyhow, guys, that's all I had for you today. Please remember to like the video, hit that subscribe button for me, and I'll catch you guys next week. Stay safe out there. I want you to come back and watch some videos.